Good morning, friends. In the last lecture, we have seen the meaning of financial management. So, financial management, in short, funds raising, organizing, coordinating, and utilizing those funds for the purpose of business operations. Or ultimate use of financial management is to make a profit. That is the meaning or definition of financial management. Now in this video we will focus on objectives of financial management. फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट के गोल्स क्या है, ऑब्जेक्टिव्स क्या है, ये अभी हम इस एपिसोड में देखेंगे. नाउ देयर आर डिफरेंट objectives of financial management, or there are different goals of financial management. Profit maximization is a main objective of financial management. Wealth maximization is also another important objective of financial management. Maintenance of liquidity is another objective of financial management. Financial requirement planning, proper mobilization, resources utilization, improved efficiency, identifying suitable investments, allocation of funds, and risk management. These are the different objectives of financial management. Now we will focus on the important objectives of financial management. Number one is profit maximization, and second one is wealth maximization. Now, profit maximization, what is the meaning of this? In financial management, the objective of financial management mentions that the investment, financing, and dividend policy of a business undertaking should be focused on maximization of profit. हर एक कंपनी का, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का, whether it is a small scale organization, medium scale organization, or large scale organization, the main motive, the main focus is on making a profit, minting a profit, and maximization of profit. It means that profit can be maximized through increase in production with the available resources, or reducing the cost of production for a particular level of production. Maximum production करने का, and at the time of making production, उसका जो कॉस्ट ऑफ ऑपरेशन है वो कॉस्ट ऑफ ऑपरेशन कम करने का, दिस इज द फोकस इन प्रॉफिट मैक्सिमाइजेशन. The following are the various causes for consideration of profit maximization objective. Profit is a way of judging the financial and economic performance of business undertaking. It ensures efficient use of economic resources. It guides to financial decision making process. It ensures efficient allocation of resources with the intention of profitability. It also ensures maximization of total economic welfare, and the objective is widely accepted and simple. So in short, profit maximization में profit maximize करने का with the intention of reduction in cost of production, financial decision लेते वक्त proper financial decision लेने का, and those resources should be utilized for production purpose with the intention of profitability. However, giving importance to profit maximization can create number of problems. Risk is inevitable part of profit maximization. अगर हमने कॉस्ट ऑफ रिडक्शन किया या प्रोडक्शन बढ़ा लिया और मार्केट कंडीशन बराबर नहीं है, तो हमारा प्रोडक्ट सेल नहीं होगा, उसको कस्टमर नहीं मिलेंगे. सो रिस्क इज इन्वॉल्व इन प्रॉफिट मैक्सिमाइजेशन. Measures should be taken to minimize the possible risk. Social aspect is also totally ignored in profit maximization. The word profit arises questions like whether short-term profit or long-term period profit, as well as profit after tax or before tax. In this sense, profit is a vague term. So time pattern of return is not possible in profit maximization. though these are the limitations or drawbacks of profit maximization, ultimate aim or purpose of all organization is to make a profit and maximize a profit. The second important objective of financial management is wealth maximization. Wealth maximization is more modern approach compared to profit maximization. Wealth maximization in financial management is a more holistic objective as it takes into account the interest of shareholders and focuses to maximize the value of the business in the long term. Its structures is built on cash flows rather than profit, and also considers the time value of money, that is a rupee is worth more today than tomorrow. Wealth maximization considers how a company's dividend policy affects the market price of its shares. Not only do high dividends keep shareholders happy, but they also create a high value and reputation for the business in the market. So wealth maximization is another important objective of financial management. और wealth में dividend consider करने का and other जो objectives है वो that also considered in the wealth maximization concept. Now, in order to maximize wealth, financial management must achieve the following specific objectives: to ensure availability of sufficient funds at a reasonable cost. यानी हमारे पास फंड्स है लेकिन वो फंड्स हमने at what cost it is borrowed, those funds are borrowed. So that is also should be taken in wealth maximization. To ensure effective utilization of funds, that is the financial control. To ensure safety of funds by creating reserves, reinvesting profit, etc., that is minimization of risk. To ensure adequate return on investment, that is profitability. To generate and build up surplus for expansion and growth. To minimize cost of capital by developing sound and economical combination of corporate securities, and to coordinate the activities of the financial department with the activities of other departments of the organization. So अगर ये objectives fulfill हो गए तो wealth maximization is 100% is possible. So this is another important objective of financial management. Thank you very much. Happy learning.